Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about a modern hyperinflation. Usually when we talk about hyperinflation, we talk about France or Germany or some of the nations that years and years ago had hyperinflation. But we're going to come pretty close to home this time. About 10% of modern nations, that's nations in the last 25 years, have experienced hyperinflation. People say to me, well, that can never happen here. And I say, why not? They say, well, this is America. And I say, what else you got? Because we have more debt as a nation than any nation that's ever existed on the planet. Now, I'm going to give you an example of modern hyperinflation. Not that many years ago, in the year 2000, the Zimbabwe dollar was worth $1.25 for every US dollar, so very close to parity. 4 years later, they were issuing $100 trillion bills. $100 trillion, the largest banknote in the history of the world. And guess what it was worth? It was worth about 3 cents. I have photos I could show you of people carrying armloads of high denomination bills to buy lunch. I have one photo from Zimbabwe where there was a $100 bill and a hand holding 3 eggs. It cost $100 billion to buy 3 eggs. So if you wanted a 3-egg omelet and maybe you wanted cheese with that, that'd be another $10 billion. You want some green peppers and onions, add $15 billion. So for $125 billion, you could have a nice ranch omelet. The point is that it is insane to go deeper and deeper into debt. We cannot continue to defy the laws of economic gravity. If we continue on the path we're on, we will find our bills looking like the Zimbabwe bills. Thanks for listening today. God bless.